Hey there, little builders and mechanics! Welcome back to Tools for Kids, your go-to destination for exciting knowledge about tools. I'm Mr. Elliott, your guide on this journey of learning and knowledge. Before we dive into today's video, I want to remind everyone about the importance of safety. Tools can be fun, but also dangerous. Safety always comes first. Make sure you ask an adult before using any tools, and make sure you have the proper safety gear. Hey there, little builders! Today on Tools for Kids, we're turning our attention to a tool that's a real gripper. We're going to dive into the fantastic world of pliers. Get ready to meet one of the most useful tools I have, the pliers. Check out this amazing tool. Pliers have two arms and some handles that make them super easy to hold. They come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own special job. When we need to grab onto something small or twist wires, it's like having a pair of magic hands that can hold on to things tight and never let go. Pliers can help us with all sorts of jobs, from fixing your favorite toy to working on a tractor. Pliers are the real MVPs of the tool world. Now here's the exciting part. There are all sorts of pliers for different jobs. Some have long noses for reaching into tight spaces, while others, they're big and strong. But those big and strong ones, they have heavy-duty tasks. It's like having a toolbox full of superhero helpers, each ready to tackle its own mission. So the next time you spot a pair of pliers, remember, it's not just a tool, it's your sidekick for gripping and twisting your way through some awesome projects. If you're feeling a little adventurous, grab a pair and give it a try with the help of a grown-up though. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Tools for Kids. If you enjoyed this plier-tastic adventure, hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button down below. Let's continue our tool-tastic journey together. Until next time, happy building with your plier pals. I'm Mr. Elliott. Thanks for watching Tools for Kids. See you in the next tool-powered adventure. By watching these videos, you agree to release Tools for Kids and Mr. Elliott from any liability related to the activities demonstrated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.